Hi everyone, my name is Kinza, and today I want to share with you my journey with WebAssign. When I first started using WebAssign, it was during my second year, and to be honest, it was a struggle. The assignments felt challenging, and I didn't really know how to make the most out of the platform. At first, it felt like I was just completing the tasks to get them done, but over time, that started to change. One of the features that really helped me was the instant feedback feature. Getting to see right away whether I got something right or wrong and why made it easier to fix my mistake and actually learn from them in the moment. Another thing that made a huge difference was the Master It tool. It gave me step by step guidance through problems, which honestly helped me when I felt completely stuck. It broke down things in a way that were less complicated and felt more manageable. And as the semester went on, I realized how helpful the structured assignments were on keeping me on track. With so much going on, classes, life, exam, it was so easy to fall behind. But having the regular structure helped me stay focused and not let things pile up. Eventually, I noticed my confidence growing. I was not just memorizing anymore, I was actually understanding the material. My grades were improving, but most importantly, I felt comfortable during class discussions and felt prepared for my exams. This experience made me want to help other students who might be going through the same struggle as I did in the start. That is why I became a Cengage student ambassador. It gave me the chance to support other students, share what I learned, and be a part of a community that is all about growing through the learning process. So, yeah, that has been my journey with WebAssign. Thank you for listening.